Yeah. Hi guys. How are you all? Yeah. Okay. Today our first class is going to be how many types of applications are there. So what is the topic is? How many
types of applications?
What is the topic?
How many types of applications?
Okay. So what is the meaning of application? What is the meaning of application? So anybody is know about the application meaning? If you know, please say. Okay, cool. So nowadays we all are using lot of applications, right? Nowadays we all are using lot of application. Okay, coming to we will discuss about some applications. So we all are every day we are using some applications, right? So every day we are using Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, Snapchat. These all are the applications, right? These all are the applications. So coming to Facebook. So this Facebook application, see, so types of applications. So for example, we are using Facebook in our mobile. Okay, we are using Facebook in one laptop. We are using one Facebook in Windows application. See, so whenever we are using Facebook in the laptop, we can call as a web application. What we call? Web application. We are using Facebook application in the laptop. At that time we can call as a web application. At that time we can call as a web application. So we are using Facebook application in desktop. At that time we can call as a Windows application. At that time we call as a Windows application. So we are using Facebook application in our mobile. How many types of? So here we have mobile application are there. Mobile application. So here two types of the applications are there in the mobile. How many types of the application we have in the mobile? Two types. So first one is handheld application. Second one is iPhone application. iOS applications. What are that? iOS application. Okay. So for example, see. So this is the facebook.com, right? See, https www.facebook.com. So what we call in the real time in the IT world we can call as a production URL. Which URL? Production URL. Which URL? Production URL. For example, swiggy.com is there. Okay, snapdeal.com is there. We can call as a production URLs. So we are thinking like facebook.com is a website, right? It is not a website, it is an application. Okay, techiflow.com is there. It is a website. Why? Because website is having to represent the what exactly happening in the techiflow, right? But Facebook is not a website. Facebook is an application. We are doing some functionalities. We are using Facebook page. We are using like live. We are using some market space. We all are using this lot of functionalities in the Facebook application, right? So that is the reason only we can call as a Facebook is a application. Facebook is a very big platform, right? So Facebook we are using in the laptop. Facebook we are using in the desktop. Facebook we are in the Android application. We are using in the iOS application. Who will develop this Facebook application? Who will develop? So nowadays we are using Instagram Live, Instagram Reels, all other things, right? How we will use? Who will create this entire thing? Software company will do entire thing, right? Yes. Okay, in the software company, who will take care about this entire thing? Who will take care? Who will create? So we heard about developer will return code, right? We heard about developer will return code. Where developer will return code? We have some doubt, right? Okay, developer will return code, but we are not operating in the UI. We are not operating in the local. We are not operating on the coding. Every day we are using coding or we are using the UI. You people know about the meaning of UI? UI means user interface. UI means user interface. User interface means user will able to use the application. Okay. So nowadays Instagram using technical people, non-technical people, educated people, uneducated people, right? So TikTok also, we know about the TikTok stars also is there. Okay, TikTok stars, they people are don't know about how we can, like they people are not even spell about the TikTok spelling also, they people are don't know. But nowadays they people are TikTok stars, right? So how they people are know? They people are using the UI. What they people are using? UI. UI means? UI means user interface. With using of user interface, we are connecting to the application. In case we don't have the any UI, in case we don't have the any UI, developer will return code, right? In case code will publish to the users. Okay, Instagram having the UI, we are using nowadays, we are using the everyone using the Instagram. So that's why Instagram is famous. In case Instagram not having the UI, Instagram having only coding, we are able to use or not? No, we can't understand the coding, right? We can't understand the coding. Right? So when the developer will return the code, after the code, what developer will do? Developer will convert it as a UI, converted as a UI. That's why we are using the UI. So in the UI applications, the UI means user interface. UI means user interface. Okay, how many applications do we have?
4.
First application is?
Laptop.
No, we don't call as lab.
Okay.
First application is web application. Second application is
Windows application.
third application is
Android.
fourth application is
iOS.
another application also is there. That is the standalone application. Standalone application. Standalone application. Standalone means without internet. We are not using any internet. Okay. So we are using the without internet. Without internet. So what are we are using the without internet? For example, we are using the Excel, Notepad, PPT, Word. These all are the standalone applications. Without, we are not using the any internet in the Word, right, Dil?
Yes.
Am I right or not? Yes. So this is the fifth application. This is the fourth application. This is the third. This is the second. This is the first. Okay. Now, how many types of applications do we have?
5.
What are that? First one is
Web application, Windows application, Android application, iOS application with
please to take claps. Super. Okay. See, for example, I want to use Facebook in the laptop. I want to use Facebook in the laptop. Everyone is comfortable in English, right?
yes sir.
Okay. So I want to use Facebook application in the laptop. How can I use? How can I use? So developer return code. Okay. Developer will return the code. Okay. Developer will says to the user, users, whenever you are going to use the Facebook application in the laptop, at the time you can use the URL. At the time you can use the URL. What is the URL we have? https facebook.com. This is the URL. Okay, this is the URL. So I want to use this Facebook application in the Windows application, desktop application. So you know, last 10 and 20 years back, everyone is using the desktop application, right? Everyone is using the desktop application. Desktop means monitor, CPU, keyboard, right? So everyone last 20 years, 15 years back, every house, they people are maintaining the one desktop. Last 15 years back, we don't have the laptop. We don't have the proper phone, right? Everyone is using the desktop application. Nowadays, everyone is using laptop. Everyone is using, but not using the desktop application. But whenever developer, so we can call as a URL. Okay, last 10 years, 15 years back or 5 years back, I want to use the Facebook application in the Windows application. At the time, what can I use? I am not entering the URL in the desktop application. What can I use? I want to use the .exe file. Facebook.exe file. Facebook.exe file. Okay, for example, if I am going to the desktop application, I am entering to the www.facebook.com. At that time, it will be not open. It is not open as a proper way. Whenever I am using the facebook.exe file, at the time only it will be work good. Okay, so what developer will provide? .exe file. Okay, what developer will provide? URL. What developer will provide to the user in the web application? URL. What developer will provide to the user in the in desktop application?
Facebook.
.exe file. .exe file. For example, I want to use Facebook application in the Android mobile. Okay, Play Store is we don't have. For example, everyone, how we will download the Facebook application? We are going to the Play Store, we are entering the Facebook and we are download, right? Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, for example, Play Store is not there. Play Store is not there. At that time, how you people are download? Google. What you search in the Google? Facebook.apk. Very good. Facebook.apk. What is that?
Facebook.apk.
Facebook.apk. Super. Okay. So, for example, what is the version of Android now? What is the version of Android? 12 to 13. Okay. For example, I want to use iPhone application. I want to use iPhone application. So, what I search in the iPhone? You people are searching the Facebook.apk, right? So, here Facebook.apk.
Okay.
IPK. What is the version of the iPhone? No. What is the version of the iPhone? 15.6.1. 15.6.1. So, we don't have any version for the standalone application. Why? Because we didn't use any version here. Okay. So, now, how many types of applications do we have?
5 up.
What are that? First one
Web
is
application, Windows application, Android application, iOS application, standard application.
so whenever we are using the desktop application, what developer will provide to the user? .exe file. .exe file. So you are just now you are getting KT. KT means knowledge transfer. I am transferring knowledge to you all people, right? So you are good with this topic, right? You are good with this topic. So whenever you are going to the interview, okay, whenever you are going to the interview, so interviewer asking like this type of the question. See, so when you people are use facebook.apk file, where you people are use? Just wait, I will ask the question to Monica. Monica, tell me. So facebook.apk file, in which application we are using?
Android application.
Yeah, could you claps? Okay. Directly the people are not asking the question, what is the mobile application, what is the version. The people are not asking this type of the question. They are asking indirectly. So if you have the facebook.apk, where we can use, which application we are using? Android application. So we have the .exe file, where exactly we are using. So for example, we have the IPK file, where exactly we are using. So what is the meaning of the UI?
User interface.
What is the meaning of the UI?
User interface.
Why we are using the UI? Dil, tell me. For the interaction purpose, right? We are able to understand the application. Okay. So see, so everyone please remember this, all these things. Okay. So please put a note. Do you have the paper or pen? Please make a note. I will give the 1 to 2 minutes. Whoever have the notes, otherwise please take a one snap. Take it. Let's give me 1 minute.